Hey guys, we are at the Florida State Fair and we just get here right now, kind of walk around, checking everything out. Giant turkey legs. Woo! That's fire. Over here, so them have cheeseburger, them have corn dog. Ben, Wagwan, welcome in. Thank you for the thumbs up. Wagwan, Tero. Look at all of that. Mm-mm. I know my motor run like a river, people. Wow, so good. Hi, Ben. Happy Sunday. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in, everyone. Let's walk. Over here, so them have the juice, strawberry lemonades. It's a beautiful day. I'm not telling a lie. The sun hot. And I kind of just a walk around now. If I see something will probably catch my eye. As soon as that happens, we try it. They have a lot of shows coming up. I think 1 o'clock them have a circus show. I definitely want to bring on if you want to watch that with me. And yeah, them have a whole heap of that things that go on. But yeah, it's a great day. Happy Sunday, Sosa. Hi, welcome in early. We are at the Florida State Fair. Simonet! Wagwan. Good morning, evening or afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome in. Big up on yourself. It is snowing there in Canada. All right, I'm gonna send you some of the sunshine, the beautiful sunshine we have here. Okay? Not a problem. Okay, guys, if you're just joining me, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. We just reached. We're at the Florida State Fair, and basically right now we're walking around to just you know, walking around to see what is happening and everything. Antoinette, hi. All right, so all of them are juice, you know, mango, Brazilian lemonade, dragon fruit, ooh, pineapple juice, that look good. What's that, a Brazilian bowl? Oh, wow, Brazilian bowls. How do you guys know? We don't know no food them anyway, man. That's real good. That's so good. Guys, I am so confused right now. The amount of things that them have back in Florida. Yes, we are. What do you have? Wow. Watch donut, man. Jeez. Donut is huge. Yes. Hey Milton, how you doing? Morning. Morning. Shan, yeah, Miss Brown, big up yourself. Yeah, I'm calling your name as we see your name. Bad feed. Or maybe I come here and walk around. No worry, man. Me soon find somewhere to make on OBS. What they might make us so they might make popcorn. Wow. Okay. And they look like a beer. I don't know if I salt that or sugar them up. I have a live show going on right now. You have, yeah, I had Brazilian food before. It is so good. Chicken on a stick. Almighty, from there say chicken, then call my name, you know, guys. Yo, we love chicken too much, honestly. Welcoming, guys. Thank you for the thumbs up. Appreciate it. I want to do some rides too. Tasha, hi. Welcome in, guys. Happy Sunday. Right? The options are endless. Them all are sell season too. Oh, that's not bad. Welcome in. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. It is such a beautiful day. The weather is perfect. Okay, now. Oh. Food out here, I give you. I wonder if I can grab one and run. Screenshot. Grab one and run, you know, I can't let the food kill this. At a carnival. We're at the Florida State Fair. Yeah, at the fair. You know me, I make on the guys see what I want, and then after we get into the fun activities and food. Oh, yes. Oh, they have the pineapple drink. It is my hope that this will be a day of great memories and maybe even new traditions. Have a great time today at the Florida State Fair. What's it active? The Arena Boys of the Tampa Bay Lightning and Orlando Magic. And the Red Sox boys of the Tampa Bay Brazilian lasagna is amazing. I gotta try it. 2025 is Florida State Fair mobile app. Download it now on your mobile device to find all the great information to help make your day more enjoyable. Want to run like a river, guys. There's a lot going on. Honestly. One of our concert stages. This person look like a my speed. I don't really want to go in the, you know, the crazy like rides. You know what I mean? No, so look, you have to go down now, man. Today. You have to do better. Wagwan, guys. Welcome in. We're at the fair. Yes. Giving you the tour right now. No, you have to come down, man. Today. Read it. They may put up a pole. Hold on. I put up a poll, guys. All right, guys. So we're active up here now. We're active. We are at the Florida State Fair, and right now we're walking around. Over here, we see them have some French fries. I guess we have to try it because it's like, why not? Right? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Look them on. One whole bucket of fries. My mama. You give them a 360. Look, such a beautiful day. No, the weather is perfect today. And the fries, yeah man, the fries never fail, guys. There is so much to do, honestly. Like, which one I ride them when I want to try? A long time I don't do some rides in a car. I took a long break. I took a long break from rides just because I don't know. Thank you for the thumbs up. I appreciate it. French fries. Wow. It tastes good. It actually tastes good. Antoinette, you know how we go find the rice? Woo. Fries. Hot. Just really good. Wow. Avocado cheese fries are good. Really? Avocado and fries? Who does that? Who does that? Like, what inspired you to try that? Ah, the funnel cakes. Yes, that's good.
When was the last time you came to the fair? Crazy.
All right, I'm definitely gonna go on one of the rides. Okay, definitely.
The speed rides are the best.
Having Mexican friends, it is true. They even love avocado with soup, and me they try that, and trust me, so good. Oh, look at those big stuffed animals. They're huge. I want to go on one of these rides though. But me don't want to do nothing too crazy. I may feel like me need to do the ride before me start eat because you know me don't want no accident. Funny thing. Vanilla cakes. Oh, guys. What do you think about that one here? That one here look like so you can do? What do you think? Make we sit and give it a test run first? Maybe? Aye. Your kids went on this ride. This is the one that went backwards. I'm the second of this. And what's in the Oh, oh, wow, 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 wow. I don't think this one is for me, guys. Oh, Anthony, thank you. Woo! That's why I'm here, guys. No, it has speed up. Whoa! Really? Oh man. The one here coming like it too much, guys. You know, I don't think I can you know what? Florida State Fair. Let's walk. Let's walk. Yeah, me not think that one day. My glasses all got knocked off. Yeah. Limit, limit. Hey. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. The whirly bird is fun. I gotta try it. You know them have some game where you throw the ball in the water and you get the fish. I that my one. The one catch one fish. Why? Wow. I don't think me good for win none of them game, guys. Every time I try, me don't know.
Come on, guys.
You see this one? Oh, it's gonna happen now. All right, guys, we have to see this. Hold on, we don't have to see this one. Me and try get to the outside sun. Hold on. This ride is wild. I try get to know a good angle. Hold on. Yeah, all right. Me? No, me not. You're mad? No, let's not. Limit. All right, see it now? Jeez, oh my God. That's a spinning hammer. This? I'm sure it's not, Antoinette. I'm sure it's not. Oh! feel like me the panny already, guys. It feel like me the panny. Ain't no way! Ain't no way! Wow! No, sad, let's not. No. No. Wow, Tracy, I saw you good? Wow. You see this how my blood pressure gone sky high. I could never. It is a freeze. It even freeze in the air. No. No need. I won't be doing this one. That's crazy. Stress me out. Nope. Let's keep moving, guys. Let's keep moving, cause you see honesty. You see honor deal with me. Wanna see honor deal with me? That's crazy. Who would do that ride? Comment below. Would you do that? That one is called Street Fighter 360. Who is so brave to do that? Not me. Makes you puke. Yeah, there. So spaghetti. Look. Hey, one sauce, I don't do that. Limit. I'm just here for the food, honestly. Like, yeah, that's all. That's the reason why we are all here, okay? If me find a kiddie ride, I will do it. Oh, wow. Do the rides on an empty stomach, see? Thank you for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. Sun hot. So another one over there so called the Kraken. God almighty, that one, it is so tall. You know see it? Look at that. No, if you think the other one was bad, you see nothing yet. That is crazy, right? Actual reaction, Sosa. That is crazy.
Hangman challenge. All you have to do is hang there for 2 minutes. Then you need to cry.
Oh wow. No sir. Me no, see man, if you know me can't. Me no good so. Look that man?
Oh, that's high.
That is high. This not even supposed to be legal, yo. Like, what do you want to do to human beings? Honestly. No. They have one called the puke later. Alright guys. I like this walking around. Me feel like me feel look a peckish. Me feel look a peckish. It's a fair or an amusement park, right? Exact. That is such a great question, Antoinette. Such a great question. The ape-line bags are good, really. Look how high that there, I spin around. No, why me would I want to go so high in a life?
Any prize to the winners this race? In this race,
No,
you
sir.
any prize in the entire place. How we doing, guys? $10 each. $10 each.
Why them people are brave? Me have to pick them up.
Choice. Any prize to the winners
Yeah.
race, guys. You get to pick it out. Any size prize.
I could never.
There you
The
go,
swing
there you
look
go. Ready,
fun,
ready,
right?
8, 7, 6.
Guys, they also have a they have a circus show coming up at 1. I want to bring on them. I couldn't watch that. And them have like a petting zoo. Them have so much things over here. So right now we just step on one other local side in one local corner. I don't know me I bring on them with me. The roller coaster ring ahead of you. I want the coffee apple, candy apple. Big up yourself, Arlie. Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, that one is called the Infinity. Yeah, candy apple. Okay. Oh, all right, guys. It's gonna start now. Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh my God. Bring me back. Antoinette, you don't say you love ride. You too ride do. So when I revert, why? Me would have made that one out alive. That's the truth. Me can't. Me just watch this and my anxiety gone through the roof. I cannot. See the tall one there where they just come take down. Why? I open and enjoy the little walk around. Or them have some little games, like arcade games as well. Too righty man. Righty real bad. Me feel hungry now. I like to walk in there, but me want chicken. That's crazy. Over here, so them have chicken and a steak.
That was 400.
No, this don't really look. Oh, let me check. Guys, you have to analyze the food from afar, you know. From afar. You know, say, to be honest, guys, I don't really fancy turkey leg. Like, I like the idea of it. And, you know, get the turkey leg, I take a picture with it. Yeah, I'm at the park. Yeah, I'm at the fair, carnival. Woo-hoo. And then I take a little bite, and then that's it. Like, when it comes to turkey, give me some turkey neck. Give me some, like, brown stew turkey neck. And that alone, I really fancy pan turkey. Other than that, I would walk around with the whole of me. With the whole day with the turkey leg in my hand. Because I don't really fancy it like that. Alright, see what them have here so now. Small fries, corn dog, nachos. Chicken on a stick. Yeah, I made that. What happened to the one? I don't know. It's like turkey just coming like, you know, one of them meat they, let me tell you. Alright. Turkey just coming like one of them meat they way. Sometimes me too tough, like the bird too old. You know? I don't know. I don't know if that explains. Like the bone too old, like the meat. Them have chicken back. That me not look if them have, but me not see none. Flats are drums. Drums for me. Hold on guys, I order. Yeah man, it's tough. It's like you want to cook down in some sauce or something. I'm not gonna get the drift. What may I say? I think I'll put some you know, when you're at the fair, you have to do what the fair people do, okay? Be in the fair. Yeah, so we got our corn dog, screenshot. Yeah, you got to do what the fair people do. Let's try it and rate it 1 to 10. Guys, I be a bread. I be a bread, me buy it. Mama. Hold on. Be a bread. All right. The sausages are coming like a pork. I like the fact that it, the bread, like the butter. You know when you put a whole heap of baking soda. I'm not going to do this today now. When you put a whole heap of baking soda in a flour, so it come like a tongue heavy, and that one also. And the sausages are pork. The first one never name pork. But it's nice. Big up yourself, Brown. Love that, love that. Yeah, every Sunday. Every day every Sunday we're out there, outside.
Funnel
Yum.
cakes! Come get your funnel cakes! Funnel cakes are a Dutch treat that originated over 200 years ago. We make ours fresh the old-fashioned way.
I rate it too because I never had it, but I know it's so nice. What time are they show up? 1 o'clock? Oh my God. As I walk around. Ben, walk one, big up. Oh, maybe come here and move around. Ben, how are you? Good morning. What a rubber ducky. Hope you're well. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you, Ben. Appreciate you. Do this right? Hold on there, guys.
Grab the fry.
That's the one with the art dinosaur. Which one are yours? Which one are yours? The one with the art dinosaur? You mean the rubber ducky? Me mama. No. No. Stand up and spin the wheel with no seatbelt. Right in front. No. Whoa. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Jeez. Wow. Me say if me ever go on this, me would I just go straight home right after. I would be traumatized with life. Another fear would have never see me again. Too fast. Guys, alright, may I be honest with you, I really do want to do one of the rides, you know. And I said to myself, yes, I'm going to do a ride. Just for you guys, not for me, for you. And I'm walking around and I'm trying to find like the perfect ride to do. But for some reason, the fear it is not cooperating. Like my speed is giving more like a ride. Give me more like a kiddie ride, like from my age. You know when you just pass the age, the height bar. Yeah, give me a ride panda level there. Give me a ride panda level there, car. Me not really want, you know what? Do too much. Yeah, that is it. So sad. Yes. Where can I find one of those? Where can I find one of those? Go on the pony ride? Okay. You gotta go on one. You gotta go on one. Let's find a ride. Lord have mercy. I go do one right now. Me I find a right. No. Okay? Dodge me. See one here? See one here? Me mama, see one here? Right here, son. They done with this boy? They done with this. Sit there. This is what I want to see. The height. Right there, so. Are we that? Yep. Yeah, we think active, you know, okay? Active. Yes, Lord. Me don't know if I can bring on with me, no. Like, whatever. But, me I go see. Oh my God, I am so excited, guys. Me I go put in a seatbelt, yeah. Where I go put it? Thank you, so sir. Me rotted. No. Guys, me can't do this. No, me can't do this. Them a go. No, I thought we could, but them a go. No. Me have to come out. Me think I want when me just drive around by myself. Them a go crashing on me ass. Me not like that. Me mama. I felt. All right, so one here. I'll go in this one. Well, I have my ticket. Guys, me can't go because I have the ticket for my phone and I have no yasso with me. Jesus Christ. Well, let me see if I get the other phone to scan the ticket. My blood. You see, it just come like me just nothing do no ride. Me just nothing do no ride. Hold on. Just scan the ticket to the ride.
Yeah, you have to buy it. You didn't buy it. Never said
And the whirly bird. Oh God, it just coming like we just don't try.
I'm fine with it, but you guys didn't want to buy it.
We have to go on the other side to buy a ticket. God almighty, them are walk up and down all over the place. Me not come back over here, you know. They have to go all the way to the front and come back. You can't imagine them have to go down. No, them have to go down for true. Me never planned for this. Put us in your bag. All right. Sounds good.
Well, come on in. Someone's gonna win. We got a winner.
Love the weather. Yeah, it is such a beautiful day.
Grab a gun, grab a chair.
All right, guys, we are walk. They have a water ride. Me never bring my water clothes. Me never, and if you can't swim, you still can't do it. Come in and really want to drown, you know. More food, right? You want her to go on the ride? You don't stop calm me down. You don't stop calm me down. And the peer pressure, that's why I'm like, come over here and go at right places. We don't know, car. No, come off of my neck. Antoinette, me know say I ride, you don't want to see. Me know. Especially you about bring back memories. Naglastic. What our N word that? Naglastic. Nostalgic. You know what I say? Read my mind. Menu. Wow. That is it. Nas why? So sir, you're coming the right word and poor me can't even spell. That is it. That's the word right there. Wow. Do that right. Me have to go get the ticket, guys. Not me. Not me. Huge price nowadays. Really? They not give me no prize. Every time I play one of them, I give me, I don't win nothing. I don't win nothing. I'm not lucky, so I'm not lie. It look like it's tiny roller coaster. Guys, you don't see how the park
All you
big?
gotta do, I'm gonna turn on the
You don't see the
water.
place big?
You guys just have to aim at the water at these targets right here, right? For 2 people, you can win any prize on one of these games.
Bubble tea. See that? I might speed them here now.
Unicorns and aliens.
I might speed them here. Me not take show off, you know. The water gun one, I always win. Really? Good for you. Good for you. Yeah. All right, guys, we do have the place to the ticket now. Hi. I like a ticket for one ride. How many tickets?
7 credits.
7 credits. Yeah. Thank you. Guys, we're ready. I wanna cause this, you know? I wanna cause this, honestly. We got our ticket.
See how many credits it takes?
Let me see. All right, guys. Let's go on a kiddie ride. A week. A week.
All right.
Had a mercy.
3, 2, 1. There they go. There they go. Watch them race. Watch them chase. Number 2 is in the lead. 3 is
Let
picking up.
me see how much
Who's
this.
it gonna be? Watch them as they go. Keep it steady. Keep it steady.
Run out. No, 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 no. Almighty, me nervous. Hey. Wow. no, no, this is not, no. We want a kiddie ride, guys, okay? So. You have to go down. Yeah, see the one there, see there, other one there over there somewhere I go pan. I am screaming. No, sir. Yo. Guys, welcome in. If you're just joining us, we are at the Florida State Fair and I'm gonna go on my first ride. Yes, it will be a kiddie ride. Do not judge me. Okay, I'm just putting that out there from now. I don't want to hear it from anybody, okay? Wonderful. I wanna be forever. I thought the song that I want to play me a grown in my ear. Forever young. Eh? The one day up there, sir? No. The one day I gonna drop you. No. Me want that kiddie one here over this. Eh? Jesus Christ. Oh, wow. God have mercy, guys.
I'll get that ready for you, too. One and a two. All right, listen. You got to shine his shoes if you lose this one. You got to shine his shoes. All right? Here we go. 3, 2,
you would just hold it when I go on it. All right, guys. I think I'm going to go on this one. Oh, my God. I am so nervous. All right. I'm going to leave the phone here so you guys can see, okay?
You got the Rick and Morty hat. You got the Rick and Morty pickle Rick. Oh, I didn't even notice the shirt's Rick and Morty. Oh, it is. I didn't know anti-social club had Rick and Morty. I got you. You guys have a wonderful day. Awesome. Winner. Are you dad? No? He's at home? Gotcha. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you, guys.
Oh, wow. She's getting up front.
Winner. Hands up, who's next? Who's ready, guys? Honey, horses, honey, chasers, honey, anybody. Grab a gun, grab a chair. Win yourself a teddy bear. Who's left? Who's next? Who's ready, guys? More horses like that, the bigger prize, bigger size, guys. Grab a gun, grab a chair. Yeah, escape. Who's next? Who's ready? Grab a gun, grab a chair. Get on in here.
I know you guys can hear her screaming. You guys give her a screenshot when she comes by. Right now.
Step that up, guys. Step that up. Someone's gonna ring her in the wind. We got every race prize, every single chase. Grab a gun, grab a chair, and we'll start down to you.
I paid the driver to give an extra turn.
I'll tap a bit together. How are you, son? You want to get in on this? How many are you paying for? I got you on. I got you three.
You did? You did?
I got four.
Uno have to go down. Uno have to go down. It was horrible. Horrible. I am not doing that. I don't know truth. I don't know advice. You hear me? You hear me? God Almighty. It was really bad. Oh wow. That would be my first and last one. Right. You hear me? Because of be a bad word. I am starving. Was that a kiddie ride to you? No, it wasn't. Antoinette, you know, I feel come down. Wow. I say, me heart come out of my mouth. Hey. Trauma. Wow. You seem fine. That's crazy. And me just hear everybody laugh after me. That was not fun. That was not fun.
I paid the driver to go over around 3 extra times.
You said what? You said what? Me wonder, oh, me up there and it not done, you know? It's a setup. It is a setup. Me wonder how me up there spin on the ride. Nah, done. Come here, say, come like say me get 3 ride in a 1. Me say I ride don't know. It just a galang, so wickedness can't done me. Should just follow me mind and got me hard. Straight. Wow. I think I need some food just to compensate my mental breakdown right now, just like to stabilize my whole well-being of a human, honestly. Wow, guys, it was fun. Thank you all so much for encouraging and also bribing me and forcing me to do the ride. So, yes, I've had fun and it will be the last time. Thank you all for your support. Never again. Glad that's over with. Ooh, so them have the little fish then. Yo, Uno just love the excitement all the time. Rotted. So they know me this boy. They know me can do this. That is not. That is.
It's hard.
Is it moving?
It's you that is in your body. It's hard.
So what you need for to just climb all the way to the top and you win what? The big donkey? It's too easy there.
It's just hard. I'm telling you.
All right, watch out. Let me look on a light. Somebody I do it. Watch out now. Watch out now. Going pan it is the problem. See there? You just angle yourselves 1 and 2. Right? Remember it. We're gonna have for 10 years, guys. My blood clot. Oh wow. All right, never mind. On second thought, let's keep walking, okay? Wow. No, sir. Oh, that was interesting. That was funny. Yeah, I keep walking. Woo. All right, Ben. Bye. Have a great day. Probably right there. Probably right there. Let's see what is. What? Fruity pebble? They make it conduct already. How much conduct? Oh, I did love that. With the cheese pull. It's a good one. Limit. Guys, when I enjoyed the day out so far, and if so, what is your favorite part so far? Right, it's my speed there. It's my speed there up there, so. I just want something to eat now. I want me to walk and I see if them have something I want to eat. Like some farmer chicken, you know? Yes, man. Excuse for me. Watch Anthony. Yeah, like Anthony say, yeah. That may be the one right and you're ready for the food. I know, right? I walk and see what them have. Me try my fear food already. So, yes, that's check. I did the corn dog, so now I can actually eat something way. You know, get that funnel cake with strawberry and chocolate syrup. Funnel cake? What's in a funnel cake? Sweets? Oh wow. You know, so that big. Rotted. The reaction of the ride, the scenery, and the food. Thank you. That look big though. Oh, them are gonna make it. Oh, watch out them. Ooh, put Oreo in it. What? Look at this, so them put powdered sugar on it. Okay. Oh, that's probably the secret ingredient right there. Oh, like he's frying the Oreo, guys. Is he frying? Oh! Oh! What is going on? Yeah, I'm smelling all the food, all the cakes, all the baked products, cotton candy, popcorn. It is so delicious. Tony Stark! Wagwan. Yeah, that's nice. All the ride I could have do a teacup riding. I might speed that, But let's not, let's slow down, okay? Yeah. I don't want to do too much right now. Yeah, just riding back to back. Yeah, let's not do that, okay? Tony Stark! Pick up yourself. Ah, you are? That is wonderful. I hope you have a great time. Oh, they have a live show going on over there. Guys, I'll not see me there. I food place. Me I walk, I look fine now. Hey, I love a good band. These paintings, hot dog. Oh wow. Iced tea, lemonade. No one chicken. Yeah. So we are walk around to see. Let me find a chicken spot. Chicken is gonna be my biggest downfall in our life. I'm not telling a lie.
Hi, I'm Roman. Florida Peninsula Agriculture. Thousands of the first welcome you to the Florida State Fair. From a small start in 1904 to our ever-growing event today, the Florida State Fair has proved that nothing brings nothing like it does. It is my hope that this will be a day of great memories and maybe even a new day. Have a great time at the Florida State Fair.
Thank you guys for hanging out with me. When I lie on the I keep me company. This is nice. Thank you for always showing up every Sunday here. Appreciate all the likes, everybody who subscribe and I interact in the comment section. We just passed on picnic a while ago. I threw up in the trash can. Yep, that's what you avoid. That's why I choose the kiddie ride, because that would have been me. I'm just saying, but that's not the point. Moving forward, yes, I want to thank you guys so much for just the overall support on the channel, man. Especially the comment section. On a real MVP in my comment section, like me just sit down and me just go through all of them when I have time and try to respond to everybody. I'm in Portmore. Try to respond to everybody that I can, because all on the feedback suggestion, I do take it into consideration, And yeah, remember, everything I put out are just for you guys. So everything we want to suggest, I always try to tap into that just to make the channel better for you guys. So your feedback, suggestion is always appreciated. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Harley. Appreciate it. Guys, we are walking look for one chicken place. Yeah. You know, so I feel like I have a chicken problem. I look feel like a fried chicken. Like a, you see they have the chicken tenders and stuff like that. Chicken on a stick, yeah. Suspect, me know, right? Alright, see one here. Chicken strips, chicken on a stick. I want to see what it look like. Like, are the visual for me? Just make me see what it makes sense. Chicken on a stick. Chicken strips. Alright. Find a chicken place.
Like that's all she
Here to save you big money on your hot dog. 100% American made, manufacturing right here in Florida and direct to you since 1981.
We waiting for the showdown. Can we see the menu? They have French cut French fries, tater tots, mozzarella sticks, chicken strips, chicken wings, chicken on a stick combo, strips and fries, $15, wings and fries 15, chicken on a stick with fries 15. They have a natural bucket, $7, corn dog $5, drinks, soda, Coke, Sprite, Diet, orange souvenir cups, Gatorade, water, Monsters. Yeah.
I asked the other place and they didn't have malt vinegar.
You see them at place there, guys. I don't really like a sit down place with me. You just grab and you go and you just go and walk and eat, you know. So I move around because we have a whole heap of other place to go. Them even have one like petting zoo and them have a circus. So we have to keep moving. Hello.
That's the wrong card.
Can I get a chicken on a stick?
And that's all for
Yep.
you? How you guys doing out there? It's all right?
Hold on. Oh. Sorry guys, my hand full.
Just about 2 minutes on that video.
2 minutes? Okay, thank you.
Either way, just wherever I can be like, here you go.
Carnival Eats and Treats, that's what they're name. Oh, that looks so cool. Ooh, and it's fried. Thank you.
Find the stick, it's gonna be hot.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Wow. Chicken on a stick.
Gotta find where the animals are so we can see if we can find it open.
Oh, wow. It's too hot, me not gonna do that. It's too hot, me not gonna do that yet. Why? Screenshot. Right, that's all. Thank you, Ben. I appreciate it. Festive real bad. Yeah. We're gonna sit down a little bit, guys. Hold on. Some of them table in already so 100. Okay. Wow, guys. It's a lot going on. Me have to make sure say this cool off because I'm just a take it out of the aisle. But you see that right there? Me don't know the name of it, but why? It was so scary. Like, me feel like when you go on it, you feel alright, like you feel like you can angle it. You understand? But when it a grown, I know I am traumatized. Big up yourself. Thank you for the thumbs up. Chicken on a stick, fried chicken. Alright, so I want him to know that chicken are fresh. Come like then just catch the chicken, cook the chicken. Only thing I left do. The seasoning. The seasoning. Yeah. That part there. But this chicken breast, you know, white meat. Let's check out and more. Oh my. Overall though, it tastes alright, you know. It's a freshness for me. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. I want to bring you guys at the other section where we can get to see the animals. And there's also a pig race, and a lot of other things happening. So I do want to bring you guys to that. Let me just get myself together. Yeah, so I can tell. I can tell she is. I never laugh so hard. I say, me scream. Me not put a whole heap on it. How you know? Me want kind of like, me want like enjoy the flavor of the chicken. I've never seen a pig race too, so me really want watch that. But me have to sit down and get myself back together because trust me, I call somebody what they say. The moment I went on the ride, I knew that was like the biggest mistake. Like that's where I knew I messed up. Yeah, she watched the ride. She watched over the ride. Guys, remember after this is done, I will be posting this video so you can also watch the live replay. Just a comment. Oh wow. It's so entertaining, not entertaining. You say what? Yeah, it's like me a replay. Make sure watch the replay. It's fine. It felt like a roller coaster. It felt like a roller coaster. But I forget the name. Do you guys remember the name of the ride? No, you hear me because it's bad for them picture. You hear me that cause? I feel like me do too much fun the ride, like make me do too extra. One time I just throw me under my ear, you know. Come here, say, you know, make me just let go, let me just free up. When this done, me I go watch it over back. Me I go watch it over back. I hope the comment there still be there when watch it over back. Big up yourself, so Thank you guys. I feel go down, man. You didn't rock me to sleep. Oh yeah, I did, Ben. Oh wow. Me have to do better. Me have to do better. Guys, just when you're up high on that ride and looking down is like your heart drop out of your chest. Your heart drop out of your chest is like, why did I do this? That was rough. Thank you for the likes. Oh, 95 votes? Okay. Okay. No, these are chicken. Chicken on a stick. So I would not do that. Why would I do that to myself? I love my life, honestly. It is delicious. Light on the seasoning, but it's very fresh and tasty. All right, I don't know. Ready for the road again? You still laugh about the ride? Oh my god, ketchup in my ear. Where? Yes, sir? I can't see it. I'm here hungry. That's crazy. All right, guys. Ready for the let's go. Woo! Oh, this nice seeing them even have phone charger over here. So, oh wow. Let me could have see this sooner. It's alright. My God, me have a power bank, man. My daughter was even holding on. I bet. I was eating chicken on a stick. So it's very yummy. Light on the seasons though. Seasoning. Let's go. All right, we'll get out of the area with the rides now and try to see what else they got going on. But that's the ride I was on, guys. Jesus Christ. It's a nightmare. It is a nightmare. The name, let me see if I can get the name. Rockstar. Because that's what I am. Rock on. Wow. Oh, it's almost like a guitar play. That is so cool. That is so cool. And I was at the end. That was me. Boom, rock. I cuss somebody, what they say. Yeah. Yeah, that's my ride for the year. I'm done. I am done. Oh, tamban. Really? I do like that one, but me don't want to go too fast. You know? Oh, alcohol. Nope. Thank you. Oh, you guys are killing the votes.
That's right, guys. Win against anything, win against anything. How about it, guys? Anything you want, anything you want.
You did good considering I didn't expect you to try none of. Really? Yeah, it is the peer pressure. I am telling, the peer pressure is real, guys. You know, watch the company you keep. I'm telling you. Hey, Otis, how you doing? I guess it's better when you can hold on to somebody. Oh. Aww. You'll never win none of those things. That's why I'm gonna try them. Oh my God, on the other side. I need a map. Yeah. I get some lemonade, guys. Let me play Macarena. It's slow. Kayak. Yeah. Yeah, they did that. So refreshing. Oh my God. Wow, them angle.
The best box voice of the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, welcoming you to the
Okay, Ben.
Super Saving Sunday.
Wow. That was good.
Enjoy free admission with the purchase of an any day on van. Saving free admission all day with a valid ID. Don't miss this fantastic day of savings and celebration.
Right? And then full of that. We don't know. We don't have to work me out over here. It's good. I like it. I say, we don't have to work me out over here. That we don't know. I want to know which part them have the animals there. What's that at the front? So now walk with me. Oh man. The cracking. Wow. Oh, it was the Ferris wheel. I love it when you. Oh my word. Jesus. Whoa, I hope nice sun don't gone, you know, look at man. Over my head. Wow. Sunshine is nice, man. Five times on a stand, still shaking. 5 times on a standstill while shaking. In mid-air. No, sir. Anybody who do this, them really brave. Me? Because not only is it swinging back and forth, it's also turning. It's also turning. Not me. They kept you there for a minute. Mafi go down, man.
Thank you for riding the iconic.
I guess because it is so long, the shorter one go all the way around and upside down. But that one they just like I challenged you. All right, guys. So me I go over the zoo now. So me I go back live when we go back over there. Okay. Keep your notification on. And thing. Yeah, we are gonna try find one. Try to get out of the maze. Yeah. Okay. I see you guys. I see you guys there.
You guys ready?